Hi everyone, this is an unboxing video and a long-term review of the Pioneer S-DJ50X-W speaker.
So I ordered this from Music Store, formerly known as DV247. It cost £119 at the time of sale. That was back in January 2018, and at the time of recording this video, October 2019, it's about the same price.
Right, so this is the long-term review of this bad boy. So, Pioneer S-DJ50X-W, W for white. It's the 50 because it means the 5-inch speaker. It's not the smallest speaker they do in this series, and it's by no means the largest. I picked this one as well, for two reasons really. One, it was small enough to fit in the IKEA Kallax unit. And two, it's really portable, so you know, I bought it as a booth speaker, so if I take it to a gig, then it's easy to take with me and set it up, and yeah, there's really not too much to say about it. It's just a really good, hard-working speaker. I've had this thing for almost 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. I really want to buy a second one, so when I get some money I will do that. I don't really need a second one. I just like the speakers so much that I might buy some more and just put them around the house. They're so much nicer than, you know, the crappy kind of traditional bookshelf speakers you might have. They look awesome, built really strongly. It's kind of like that nice go-between, you know, a sort of a hi-fi speaker versus a studio monitor. You get nice, bright, punchy sound, and you get it at a fraction of the cost of what you pay for, you know, a top quality studio monitor. You know, you want a bit more. You want a bit more punch. You know, you want a bit more bass. It doesn't need to be flat levels like a studio monitor. And frankly, I feel less guilty pushing the levels on this thing than I do on the Yamahas. I'll just show the back again. Obviously you've seen it in the unboxing section. So another thing I like about this monitor is that actually it gives you a nice amount of inputs. Although this is only one of the cheaper models, you get an unbalanced RTA, so that's your, you know, your phono leads, the red and white. You have the TRS, so that's actually balanced, and then you also have the XLR, which is also balanced. So really cool. So in terms of EQ, you don't really have much on offer, but it doesn't really need it because, you know, it's not a speaker you're looking to get absolutely bang on precise. It's really just something you just want to smash the tunes out and have some fun, really, just enjoy it. So it's got the level on the back, standard level you'll get on any active monitor. And then you've got this high frequency. If I just zoom in, you'll see. So then you can adjust that one. To be honest, I have played around with it, but you don't need it because the speaker's already so bright anyway. You just don't need any more high frequency. Now this switch is interesting. Auto standby. So I was a bit dubious at first, but then I tried it and I've left it on ever since. Because as you can see, it's in the IKEA Calyx unit, so instead of me having to keep turning it off after use every day like I do with the Yamahas, I just leave this switch on, and when the speaker doesn't detect any signal for a while, it just turns itself off. So it's a really nice feature actually, and I think, you know, all speakers should probably have that in the future. Yeah, so that's pretty much all that needs to be said about the back. Another cool feature I like about this thing is it has this big foam pad on the bottom. So obviously it sucks up some of the vibration and, you know, obviously stops that horrible shiny scraping sound if you're moving things around and whatnot. It's actually really heavy. It's you know, for the size of this thing, it is pretty damn heavy. Right, so for comparison, I thought it'd be good to show you how big the speaker is against the traditional 30cm ruler. 30 centimeters. So, you see, just shy of 30 centimeters that way. And then if I actually do it properly, you see, like that. And in terms of the back, so obviously the depth is quite important. You've got another, look, 22 odd centimeters. Another thing that's really useful is you see the side profile. There's no sticky out radiator fins or anything like that you get on some of the monitor speakers. Right, that's about it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you've got any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you on the next video. These things getting heavy. Right, that's about it for this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up. Why am I wearing glasses?